Hi guys, as usual, all the necessary links in the video description. And this is not exactly a review. Because I wanted to show you the guys that were late to the party with the other isolation parts when I was recording live stream on last Monday, I think. And since the sale is finishing, and some of you were asking me to give you the links for the last type that I bought, and some of you also mailed me about the coupons that are disappearing and reappearing. I decided to do this as maybe a short video, show you how they look like, and give you news on the coupons, because those are replenished every day in the morning, I think. Because when I was using my mobile application, each day around 8-9 a.m. I'm getting new set of coupons with the same values, same code name, but the buttons for collecting the coupons, the red button with the collect text, is getting active again. So if you're missing some of the coupons, if you've missed some of the coupons that were available, try to get them in the morning, not in the afternoon, because in the afternoon they will probably already be used. But in the morning there should be a new set ready. So I've paid for those guys $175 for one set, so that gives us $350 for two sets. And as far as I know, these are not replicas of any other construction. Correct me if I'm wrong. If you think they are replicas, they are copies of something else, give me a shout in the comments. But as I've said, as far as I know, as far as I was looking on the internet, this seemed to be a genuine original construction. And the thing is that we have 6 black ceramic balls, and those ceramic balls do not have any kind of rubber or silicone gasket inside. So basically the top platform is constantly floating. And you can set this part to a desired height by rotating it. And what you're getting in the set, in this plastic bag, is also a simple piece of metal used as a lever. So once you'll set those under your heavy speakers or under your heavy equipment, you'll be able to rotate them precisely using this as a lever. Yes, and you're also getting cork and rubber pads for top and bottoms of those, but I've left them as you are, bare naked right now. Okay, so this is basically stainless steel. All parts are stainless steel. It's solid, it's heavy, and you can set it to desired height, and you can also unscrew this completely, and then you'll be able to see that the top platform is mounted using this stainless steel plug, and I don't think this is screwed in place. I think this was pressed into the top part. I was trying to disassemble this. I was thinking that maybe there is a thread in the middle, so maybe that this will rotate and I'll be able to disassemble this completely, but I can't do that. I was trying and I didn't succeed, so I think this was just pressed and pushed one into another, and it gives just enough slack to have all those balls floating, and they are constantly moving when they are not under any load. So this is, yes, Mark, it was my Audiophile fidget spinner for the past day or two, especially if you have them on the surface like that, because if anybody will move my desk, they all begin to dance. Yeah, I like them. I really like them, and again, the link in the video description. Although this is not a review, not yet. I'll have to listen to the effect on the sound of the speakers that they bring to the table, also the other guys from the live stream. This is like 5 or 6 different types, and some of them are replicas for steel points. But as I've said, I don't think these are replicas. These look genuine. I couldn't find anything similar on the web. Gemini and Copilot were also not very helpful. I mean, they were helpful, but they also couldn't find any design similar to those. But if you're aware of something existing looking like those, give me a shout in the comments. And that's it. Have a great day. Try to use the last hours of the sale. I will be ordering some more things because this time the coupons are quite large. And the next opportunity like that will be, I think, on 11th of November. So in a couple of months. And yeah, thanks for watching. Have a great day and see you pretty soon. Bye, guys.